Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete messages on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, tap on your app, and now over here tap on this option of chat icon below. Now you will be able to access all of the chats that you have done so far with your friends, right? For you to simply delete the chat, all you have to do is simply tap on them, and simply, let's say we have sent a message, we can simply long press on it, and now we will have this option of delete right there given at the bottom. Tap on delete, and now tap on OK, and again tap on this delete, and now our message is deleted, aka removed from there. We can again go back and also choose to remove this person from chat just by tapping on their ID and tapping on this option of manage friendship and choosing to tap on this remove friend, and you remove them and delete all the chat at once permanently. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.